Hey there, it's Dustin Guthrie again with Schooner Bay Realty, and on today's video I'm showing you a brand new listing that our company just took here in southwest section of Cape Coral. This is a gorgeous pool home over here in the southwest. It's got a brand new roof on it. It's on an oversized corner lot, and it just has absolutely tons of upgrades inside. So let's get right into it. But first, if you don't know me, my name is Dustin Guthrie, and I do multiple videos every single week. I do listing tours, certainly like this one, but I also do really important, informative videos on the area on Southwest Florida and Cape Coral. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I think you'll get a lot of value out of being subscribed to this channel. I try to create as much value as I can in the hopes that when you do have a real estate need here in Southwest Florida, anywhere, whether you're buying or selling a place, commercial, residential, whatever it is, maybe you'll think of me and you'll give me a call. My contact information is down there in the description. You can call me, email me, text me, whatever it takes, anytime. There's also a link down there to where you can book a one-on-one appointment with me. But all that said, let's get right into it and take a look at this beautiful pool home here in the Southwest Cape.
This home has such great curb appeal. The first thing you'll notice when you drive up to the property is just how well kept the landscaping is at this house. It has all of these huge mature palm trees, multiple 40-foot tall royal palms and silver bismarcks throughout the oversized corner lot, and the entryway is perfectly framed with 2 sets of triple Adonidia palms. And it all leads up to this beautiful Mediterranean style entryway right here. As we walk in, we've got this beautiful tile floor with the inlaid design in the entry, and you're immediately struck by the volume ceilings in both the entryway and in this main living room. Not only does this home have really tall ceilings throughout, but the higher quality of the trim work and the interior doors are instantly recognizable. This is a split floor plan, so let's start over on the left wing of the house, which includes the owner's suite. Directly to the left of the entryway is a set of French doors which leads into this game room. This home has a couple of these bonus rooms. This one's obviously perfectly suited for this pool table, but this could easily be a formal dining room or an office or something. There's certainly plenty of room in here for a lot of different uses. Now we'll move into the owner's suite with the main bedroom and bathroom. So once again, we've got this nice tall recessed ceiling, which along with these big windows in here make this room feel really nice and airy. Moving into the bathroom, there are dual walk-in closets here on either side. And the bathroom is centered around this jacuzzi tub island. The tile floors and the walls match nicely with the cabinets and the granite countertops of the dual vanity. You'll also notice that there are multiple high windows in here, which gives the bathroom plenty of natural light while still remaining nice and private. And again, there are dual controls and dual shower heads back here in this walk-behind shower. Okay, let's head back to the central living room atrium and we'll take a look at the other wing of this beautiful pool home. So as we're looking out these huge 4-panel glass French doors going out to the pool, it's important to point out that all these doors and windows are upgraded impact-resistant hurricane glass, which means you'll never need hurricane shutters in this house. That's not only great for peace of mind, but it also means significant savings on homeowners insurance for this house. This kitchen is full of great upgrades. Here's a quick preview of it. We're going to swing back around and take a closer look at it here in a minute. Check out these tall bay windows here on the breakfast nook. This is all about bringing that outside living area inside and sort of blurring that indoor and outdoor living space together. This door on the left there goes out to the pool deck, which also allows this first guest bathroom to also serve as the pool bathroom. And that bathroom will also serve as this first of 3 guest bedrooms. This second guest bedroom is attached to the second full guest bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill bathroom. It goes all the way through to the third guest bedroom. As we move back toward the central living room, here's the laundry room, which also goes out to the attached 2-car garage. You can see there's plenty of room in here for some extra storage, including an extra refrigerator, which is always nice. Alright, now let's take a good look at this kitchen. This kitchen is full of great upgrades. We've got accent lighting throughout the kitchen under these beautiful tall upper cabinets with crown molding on them. Gorgeous level 3 granite countertops with an underhung stainless sink, matching stainless steel appliances, including a gas cooktop with a ventilation hood. This home actually has a 250-gallon underground propane tank which services the cooktop as well as the home's tankless water heater. Now check this out. So this room is to the right as you walk in the front door. If you recall, the room with the pool table in it was immediately to the left as we entered the front door, and this other bonus room is to the right. And as you can see, this one has a half bath attached to it. Like the other game room, this room also has these beautiful dark wood floors, and the owners have this room set up as an exercise room. But again, it would be a perfect office, playroom, or a den, and it's especially nice with the attached bathroom, which can also service the living room or the kitchen. So that brings us full circle back to the entryway of this 2,600 square foot 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. So now let's take a look at this home's pool and beautiful outdoor living spaces. The screen lanai out here offers the best of both worlds. You've got this shaded under truss area, which features a really attractive beadboard ceiling. But you've also got the open pool area out there where you can enjoy the full sunshine. There's also this nice little annex off to the side of the pool here, which is perfect for deck chairs like this, but it's also a great place to put an outdoor grill or something like that. Of course, outside of the lanai is more of that top-notch landscaping like we saw in the front, but back here, there's a privacy fence which encloses this maintenance-free area of river rocks, so there's no need to drag a lawnmower back here. There's also multiple fruit trees here in the backyard. Finally, to top it all off is this great centerpiece of outdoor living. This uniquely shaped pool features this extra large sun shelf and also has an underwater seating area with a table that's really just begging for a couple of cool drinks to be set on top of it.
You know, it's just a really wonderful, beautiful property here in the southwest section of Cape Coral. It's in a beautiful neighborhood on this gigantic corner lot. And I really hope you enjoyed this short little tour of this property. I certainly enjoyed showing it to you. If you did like this video, please reach over and hit the like button. It really helps me out, helps the channel out. And while you're there, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I do multiple videos every single week, not just listing tours like this, but informational videos that I think you'll find a lot of value in. And I do them, like I said, every single week. So go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to it. And thank you so much for watching. My contact info is down there in the description if I can help you with anything or if I can let you know a little more about this house. And thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next video real soon.